So we are at Surfers Paradise. We're walking to the beach right now. We just got food. I got drinks and food.
We got chips.
Yeah, and we're so excited.
Yay!
Yay!
Blurry, or is it just my poor eyesight?
It's blurry. Hi! So we're just sitting on the beach.
With our Macca's cookies.
We took our makeup off, we had a swim, and just chilling.
We had a pub.
Yeah, there were some really cute guys. They like left after we left.
And then we came back and they were gone.
We were Devo, but yeah, and we're gonna go for lunch soon-ish.
And we both are craving Caesar salad. Like,
Yeah, we're gonna
amazing.
get, yay, we're gonna get chicken Caesar, and people's looking at us. Look.
I don't care. Fuck off. They're fucking old. Who cares? They don't know what a phone is.
Yeah, and ooh, I look bad. You look fine because you have sunnies on.
Yeah, that's why I put sunnies on, because I looked like shit.
And yeah, woo, woo. How hungry are you?
Insanely hungry.
Same.
We're out here in Hoggies.
Yeah.
Just Maltesers and Tim Tams, please. Maltesers and Tim Tams. Yeah.